In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view bank statements in QuickBooks Online. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign into your company. Make sure you're in the correct company file if you manage more than one. This keeps your accounts and statements aligned with the business you want to review. Once you're in, head to the Reconcile section. You'll find Reconcile on the left menu in QuickBooks Online. Opening Reconcile takes you to the Reconciliation dashboard, which is where QuickBooks tracks your completed and in-progress reconciliations. This area connects directly to your bank statements because each reconciliation is tied to a specific statement period. At the top of the Reconcile page, switch to the Summary view. The Summary tab is your hub for statement visibility. Here, you can choose the bank or credit card account from the drop-down if you have multiple accounts connected. When the correct account is selected, QuickBooks displays statement periods in order, showing the statement ending dates, balances, and any available statement files. If your bank provides statement copies to QuickBooks Online, you'll see a link to open or download a statement for that period. This is especially useful when you need to verify a closing balance, confirm the statement date, or review a specific month during an audit. If a statement file isn't available, you can still use the summary page to reference the statement period and end balance, then compare it with a PDF from your bank. A quick tip: always confirm you're viewing the right account and date range. If a statement looks off, check the account drop-down and the ending balance. It should match your bank's official statement. Another tip: some banks don't send statement copies to QuickBooks. In that case, you'll still see the summary information, but you may need to download the statement directly from your bank and keep it for your records. Use the summary page as a checkpoint before and after you reconcile. Before reconciling, verify the statement end date and ending balance. After reconciling, return to the summary view to confirm that period is marked complete and the balances line up with the statement you reviewed. That's all there is to it. Open QuickBooks Online, go to Reconcile, and view the summary to see your bank statements and statement details. Follow these steps each month to keep your books accurate and your records easy to reference. If anything doesn't appear as expected, double-check the account selection and confirm whether your bank provides statement files to QuickBooks Online.